Everyone, and thank you for trusting News 3. I'm Teresa Whitaker.
And I'm Phil Scoggins. We begin tonight in Muskogee County, where it has been more than 2 months since District Attorney Mark Jones was removed from office after pleading guilty to 4 counts of public corruption.
Governor Brian Kemp will appoint the new DA, and that person will serve until 2024, when the office will be on the ballot.
WRBL News 3's Chuck Williams has been digging deeper into what's next. He joins us now live from downtown. Chuck?
Phil, Teresa, due to COVID, more crime, and the mess in the DA's office, there is a backlog of criminal cases here in Muskogee County, and the need for a permanent district attorney to move those cases could not be clearer. There's still no name on the district attorney's office door, but that could change in the coming weeks. Governor Brian Kemp has asked for nominations to replace Mark Jones. Jones was removed from office after a public corruption conviction. Acting DA Sheneka Terry says she plans to seek the office she has held on an interim basis since October 4th. She has 3 things she considered before that decision.
First things first, of course, I had to consider my family because this is a position that we will all undertake. The second thing is I had to consider that the state of the office right now. I had to consider the backlog of cases in the uphill battle that this office will face in trying to get all of those cases either to trial or resolved in some other manner. The third thing that I had to consider is the other employees in the office and ensuring that I could be the leader that they would need in order to address that backlog.
Bill Smith spent 18 years in the district attorney's office before becoming a Superior Court judge. Because of the previous DA and his criminal conviction and he's in prison, does that add a whole nother level of importance to this?
Well, of course it does. As I said, we've been in disarray for over a year now, and we've been through this for the first time in the history, 200-year history of the circuit. There's no precedent for it.
Smith, who spent 11 of those years as the district attorney, says the unprecedented situation calls for leadership.
I'm confident that whoever the governor appoints, man, woman, black, white, will be a strong leader and administrator, but also a trial lawyer. We need a lawyer who can go in there themselves and try the heavy cases.
Teresa, Phil, the deadline for nominations to the governor's office is Friday. Right now, we reached out to the governor's office earlier today, and they say they are in the due diligence phase of this process, and they don't have a timetable for when a new DA will be appointed here. Reporting from Columbus, Chuck Williams, WRBL News 3, on your side.
All right, thank you, Chuck.
In November, there were 289 major felony cases awaiting trial in Muskogee County. The cases range from murder to aggravated child molestation.
In LaGrange,